HyperOS 3 C09 update new changes and features. You can use points to redeem paid themes. Required points to redeem theme. The Points Mall is now online. You can earn points and redeem themes. Watch videos to earn points. By watching a video, you can earn 5 points. You can watch up to 5 videos per day to earn points. Once you have enough points, you can choose a paid theme and use your points to redeem and download it. Some premium themes with higher value will require more points to redeem. This is the global theme store version included in the HyperOS 3 C09 update. HyperOS 3 C09 update. After updating, you'll get the option to redeem these themes using points. If you like paid themes, keep watching videos to earn points so you can redeem them for themes. After watching 7 videos, I've earned a total of 35 points. Right now, I only have 35 points, so I don't have enough points to redeem this theme yet. I'll try redeeming this theme with my points. Redeem with 15 points. The theme has been redeemed successfully. Your points will be deducted, and the theme will be downloaded. With the C09 update, you can now earn points by watching videos and use them to redeem your favorite premium themes. Thanks for watching video.